I'm going to bring to you a literal goodie box. So we're going to talk about the 6th step in the Craig Proctor program, which is the delivery of wow service so that your clients refer more clients to you. Now, it's going to be the last session of the last day on Wednesday, but do not skip out early, okay, because it is going to be worth the wait. I'm bringing you a special guest to talk to you about how to make this magic happen. So let me ask you a question. What would happen if every client that you had referred another client to you every single year? What would your business look like with that? Okay. And maybe even if you're just starting out and you say, Brett, I don't have any clients, so I don't have anybody for this to work. This still works for you. And I'm going to tell you how. Okay. So on average, we all know about 300 people, and everybody that we know also knows about 300 people. Okay. So that's 9,000 people one step away from you. Okay. And if only 10% of those people on any given year are making a move, then that's 900 potential transactions. Okay. We're going to talk about, no matter where you're at, how you can get an overflow of business simply by taking care of the clients that you have, or engaging reciprocity with the people that you know through worthy causes, or through the other things like simply excellent client care like we have right here. So I'm going to talk all about what everything in this basket actually means and represents, because everything has a meaning. It doesn't just look pretty, it serves a function as well too. So we will see you on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, October 16th, 17th, 18th. And we're going to learn a lot together, and we're going to transform everybody's businesses, okay? And we're going to make 2021 the best year yet.